I am a huge fan of under eye patches, especially this brand. And these, as they claim, are like an energy drink for your eyes. So I'm going to give you a before and after so you can really see the difference and what they do in just 15 to 20 minutes. All right, let's open it up. It is power packed with awesome ingredients. Slide it out. They feel so good the minute you put them on. You can even put them in the refrigerator if you want to have more of a cooling effect, and you can decide how you want to wear them. So I usually do that bigger part, but you also could do the smaller part and then have the bigger part over here. And they'll stay on really nicely. So if you want to multitask, go make yourself some breakfast or some coffee and keep these on, they'll be good to go. Or if you want to just take some time for yourself and lay down and relax, that works too. All right, I'll be back in just a little bit. We have hit the 15-minute mark, so you just take them right off. They're single use, so when you're done, you can go ahead and throw them away. Anything extra, you can just tap into place, and immediately you're just gonna feel like your tired eyes feel way more energized. Any dark circles or puffiness tends to be gone as well. These are fabulous. You are going to love it too.